Let's go, Mom. Your bags are in the cab. The meter's running.
The baby's sleeping like a baby. Oh, my angels. Oh, I'm going to miss
Honey,
you
Grandma's
so
gotta
much.
go.
Sweetheart, I'm just going to
Grandma's
miss you
really
so
gotta go.
Honey,
Oh,
honey,
boy, does Grandma gotta go.
Oh, you know, Danny, I don't have to go back home.
Yay!
Mom, this isn't how we rehearsed this last night. Let's take a little walk, okay? Now, you know as well as I do that... Mom, look. It's time to go home.
If you are hearing this emergency broadcast, you may be in risk of crossfire. January 16, 12:38 p.m. we discovered a fleet of legions coming this way toward the shore of Green Isles. Do not panic, as the Green National Guard will help you evacuate the area as soon as possible. Upon this, we advise you to take your loved ones with you and necessary supplies. Stay tuned to your local media outlets.
Heavy snow leaves the landscape white and homeowners in the dark. Thousands remain without power.
A winter storm blows into town, pounding our area with up to 18 inches of heavy snow. But this winter wonderland is a nightmare for thousands of people who are in the dark tonight.
Coastline residents work into the night to push the Atlantic out of their homes.
This message is requested by the President of Green Isles. The shore is currently under siege. I repeat, the shore is currently under siege. Avoid the shore as much as possible. If you are near the shore or within miles of it, we strongly advise you that you flee the area as fast as you can. We believe that too will soon be under siege. May God watch over you all.